Make this fancy egg like you've never seen. Here I'm using 4 boiled eggs and cutting them like this, without cutting the yolk. And now just open and separate the yolk from the white. With the yolk in a small container, we'll mash well. Add 100 grams of grated mozzarella. Around 2 spoons of mustard. A bit of salt and oregano, then mix it all well. Let's set it aside. Next, coat our egg white in flour. Then dip in a beaten egg. And finish off in breadcrumbs. All ready, just fry in hot oil. At this point, let's remove and drain. Now just fill our eggs with the mix we made with the yolk. And look guys, how amazing this recipe is. Try it at your place, sure everyone will love it. Hope you liked it, just another recipe from Kitchen on a Budget. Big hug, see you next time. Cheers.